like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new and my returning Kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video, I wanted to actually show y'all my morning skincare routine. Because you know, you gotta have one for the morning and you also gotta have one for the night. So I figured it was about time for me to show you guys how I get down in the morning when it comes to my skin. Now, in the past, I have shared with you guys that I went through having a lot of acne. I tell y'all that in my makeup tutorials all the time, but I actually have a video, on my YouTube channel from a couple of years ago that actually shows y'all like where my skin was, the state of emergency it was at. Okay, so I just, I just figured it was time for me to just kind of update y'all on what I do, how I take care of my skin, my 30-year-old skin. All right, not saying that it's perfect, but from where it used to be, I'm doing the dang thing. Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get into some of the products that I'm going to be using. And as a matter of fact, as I tell you what they are, I am just going to use them. So we'll just go through, everything. All right. Okay, so you guys, lately I've kind of been going back and forth with two daily cleansers. I've been using the Ole Hickerson Truth Daily Cleanser. I use this for in the morning, or I would use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This one's pretty good too, and the reason why I pulled the both of them out is because I'm actually running low. So I wanted to see which one of these had the most in it so that I could obviously use that one, but it really don't look, they both kind of got about the same. So just at this point, y'all be expecting a skincare shopping video here soon. But anyways, let me see which one of these gives me what I need. Yeah, let's just see which one of these has what enough. Okay. And it looks like Fresh One. Okay. It's some jelly substance. You don't need to mix this with water or anything like that because it's already wet. Oh my gosh. Feels so good. One thing that I do like is washing my face, okay? Scrubbing my face. This feels so good. I was supposed to be making a TikTok out of this. You know what? So as I was scrubbing my face, right? I just noticed that I didn't tell y'all to go and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Become one of the Kinfolks, okay? Okay, so now I go in with a little bit of water. Okay, y'all, so to take off my my cleanser, I don't do the whole whoosh water on your face thing. No, okay, I don't do that because it's messy. It gets too messy, all right? And I don't like to have to clean up unnecessary messes. So I like to use my makeup remover towels. They're very gentle on the face, y'all. You can get them from TJ Maxx, Ross, in the little makeup aisles. They have the little $5. You can get like 2 for like $5 and stuff like that. I get these, you know, I use them. I just decided I might as well just get towels just for my face. You know how you have towels just for your body? Like, you shouldn't be using body towels on your face because it's a little harsh, you know? So instead, use these. Get you a little makeup remover. Like, and even when you do have to use this for your makeup, you're not messing up your good towels, you know what I'm saying? And it's still very gentle on the face. So yeah, if you don't have one, go get you one. TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, anywhere, you know what I'm saying? Anywhere. But anyways, y'all, I just like to use some lukewarm water, and I drench this towel in water, and then I just you know, gently wipe off all of the cleanser that's on my face. See, like I told y'all, it already looks really plain. Okay, you guys, so I have been using some toner on my face. Now, I only use toner probably about 2 to 3 times out of the week, just because I don't have a whole lot of scarring and I don't have a whole lot of skin that needs to be even out. I mean, like, I do down over there and stuff, but again, we have come a long way, so we are good, right? But yeah, I don't overdo it with the toner. I do toner about 2 to 3 times out of the week, and I also do an exfoliation probably twice out of the week, and I'll do like a mask 2 to 3 times out of the week, okay? Because why not? We need masks around here. But anyways, all of that can come in another skincare routine. We're just focusing on the morning routine, so my bad. But anyways, y'all, the toner that I am using is the Clinical Works Ultra Cleansing Facial Toner. I picked this up when I was at TJ Maxx, actually. And so far, like, since I've been using this toner, again, I only use it like 2 to 3 times out of the week. But this toner, it doesn't have a smell to it or anything like that. And y'all know I'm funny about stuff that has a smell to it. Like, okay, like, it smells like toner, but it doesn't have, like, it don't smell like roses and stuff like that, you know? So, yeah, this is alcohol free and stuff. So I don't know if I want to tell y'all to go and grab this yet. I don't know, because I'm still trying to, you know, see what it's about. But I just want y'all to know that your girl is using toner, and I do use toner as a part of my skincare routine, especially my morning skincare routine, at least 2 to 3 times out of the week, okay? To apply my toner, I like to use some cotton, well, these are not cotton swabs, but what are these? Some little cotton pads. You know, pick these up when I did my last hygiene shopping video, so go check that out if y'all have not checked that out. All right, but yeah, I just use one of these, and I like this because it has like a little, you know, pump, right? And then I just like to go over my entire face. off whatever that was left behind that the cleanser didn't get. Well, see, look, and this will tell you if you did a good job cleaning your face, you know what I'm saying? Because this isn't even dirty, which is good. So that lets me know that my cleanser is doing its thing, and I like that, okay? I use this in the morning and I use it at night, y'all. I like to go in with, this is by Fresh Skincare. This is their Lotus Youth Preserve, because you know I want to save all my youth. I mean, I'm gonna look good anyway because black don't crack, but still, okay? Still, I want to stay young for as long as I can. But y'all, I like to use eye cream, under eye cream. Like, I do have a little bit of wrinkling down there, just a little bit, and I think it's because I've been glaring at my kids and stuff like that. But either way it goes, some under eye skincare definitely works, you know. So I'm gonna go in with some of this Lotus Youth Preserve eye cream, okay? And I'm not gonna use too much of it because it was a pretty penny. Under eye cream is always a pretty penny. Just know that. Anyways, so I'm just gonna, you know, do a couple of dots there. And that's enough. I don't need to overdo it. But after applying it like that, then I'm gonna go in and just gently massage it in. Now, you know, eye cream is totally optional. If you feel like you don't need it or you don't want it, don't do it. But baby, this right here just added something to my skincare. Made me feel real good. Okay? But anyways, y'all, so after applying my eye cream, I like to go in with my moisturizer, okay? Because everybody needs moisturizer on their skin, not body lotion. Don't put body lotion on your face. Go and actually get a moisturizer. An ultra repair cream is what I started using, what I use, and that's because I travel from Atlanta to Colorado sometimes, and I just figured I don't want to have to always have to switch out my moisturizers, right? And for my type of skin, this right here does wonders as far as moisturizing, as far as just rehydrating my skin. This right here is the real deal, okay, y'all? This is the Ultra Repair Cream, which when I started using it, it was definitely to repair my skin just because it was just so dry, you know? I had moved from a very dry state to a very humid state, so my skin didn't know what it wanted to do, and it was being crazy, right? So this right here, it helped hydrate my dry, okay, they say it parched on here. It wasn't parched, it was just a little dry, you know? So they take it overboard with parched, okay? Because now you're trying to say it was extremely dehydrated, and I don't think it was that, okay? But, yeah, okay, this is all inclusive, all right? But it helps hydrate dry, parched skin, and it temporarily helps relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions, okay? And this is really good for sensitive skin. So this, when I first started using it, I literally had just some little sample packs that I had got from Sephora, and then from there I was like, you know what, this right here is the real deal. I'm gonna keep using it, and it hasn't disappointed since, okay? Ooh, I'm just so happy I am not almost out of this, because I would be going to the store right now if I was out of this moisturizer. I promise you. Anyways. Ooh. And this smells like it should be on the face and not on the body. Oh, good. The last skincare product that we are going to go in with, and everybody needs it. I don't care if you black, white, purple, orange, yellow, or green. When you leave the house, you need to always use sunscreen, okay? And my favorite sunscreen to use is the Black Girl sunscreen, and that is in the Make It Matte. This is a gel substance. This is 45 SPF, so anything over 30 works for us, and we should definitely partake in, you know. But I like this because it's mattifying, but yet still feels very like a little oily, you know what I'm saying? Like it feels like a layer. It feels like it's protecting something when, you know, just as soon as I add it to my face. And I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Ooh, okay. But yeah, so that is it, y'all. That is my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, okay? And I just like to go in with like some little lip gloss or something like that, since I don't have no chapstick or nothing. I don't like using Vaseline because my lips is too big to still kind of be getting dry in 5 minutes, okay? So I just have to grab the nightstand lip gloss, you know, so I'm not leaving here with some crazy looking lips. But anyways, you guys, I hope that y'all have enjoyed my morning skincare routine. I hope that y'all have learned something, taken some things home with you, maybe going to the store buying some new product. I don't know. But I want to again remind y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can be Kinfolks, all right? And also give this video a thumbs up if you have been enjoying my content. Again, I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by my channel and just showing me so much love and support. Y'all, my face feels so good. Like, I'm ready to take on the day. But anyways, I will see y'all in my next video. May peace and love be multiplied.
Bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain.